Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. You think hiring a cleaning service is simple? One wrong move could leave your space dirtier and your wallet empty. Stay tuned, because this could save you from a cleaning disaster.
Today we're diving into a topic that might seem simple but could save you a ton of time, money, and hassle. Regular office cleaning versus maid service. What's the difference? Whether you're a business owner or someone trying to spruce up a home office, you're about to get all the answers you need. You may be asking yourself, aren't they both just cleaning? Well, not quite. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what sets them apart and which service is the right fit for you. Let's start with the purpose behind these services. Regular office cleaning is all about maintaining a clean, professional work environment. It's designed to make your workspace look presentable, reduce germs, and help employees stay focused and productive. A sparkling office isn't just about appearances, it's a mood booster and productivity enhancer. Maid services, though, they're focused on creating a clean and cozy home environment. Sure, you'll get some of the basic cleaning tasks like dusting and mopping, but you also get those extra touches, making the beds, folding laundry, tidying the kids' playroom. It's all about keeping things organized and homey, not necessarily keeping things corporate-level polished. Now, let's talk about how often you need these services and how scheduling works. Office cleaning is typically scheduled at least a few times a week, especially for high-traffic areas like reception desks, meeting rooms, and kitchens. Some companies even book daily cleanings to ensure a spotless and sanitary workspace. Maid services, they're more flexible. You might schedule them weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly, depending on how much upkeep you want and how messy life gets. The focus is more on convenience and keeping your home from spiraling into chaos, rather than scrubbing every surface daily. Here's where things get even more interesting: the scope of work. An office cleaning service will usually handle things like vacuuming, disinfecting desks and doorknobs, emptying trash bins, and keeping bathrooms stocked and clean. They'll also tackle areas you might overlook, like wiping down communal printers, cleaning break room microwaves, and disinfecting shared keyboards. A maid service, however, focuses more on general tidying and comfort-related tasks. Yes, they'll clean your bathroom and kitchen, but they'll also handle things like changing linens, fluffing pillows, and maybe even reorganizing that overflowing junk drawer if you ask nicely. Here's something that surprises a lot of people: equipment and supplies. Professional office cleaners usually bring industrial-grade cleaning tools and supplies. We're talking heavy-duty vacuums, commercial disinfectants, microfiber cloths designed for specific surfaces, and even eco-friendly products if that's what you prefer. They're ready to tackle everything from coffee spills to day-old crumbs in conference room chairs. Maid services, on the other hand, often use household-level supplies unless you request something specific. Sometimes, you even provide your own cleaning supplies, depending on the service. So, if you're looking for a service with commercial-strength sanitation in mind, the office cleaning crew wins in this department. Another major difference: hours of operation. Office cleaning services often work outside of regular business hours, early mornings, late evenings, and even overnight. The goal is to clean without interrupting your workday. You'll walk in the next morning to a fresh-smelling, clean office and be ready to hit the ground running. Maid services usually operate during standard daytime hours. No scrubbing at midnight unless you've hired a special service. So, if you need a clean house before hosting guests for dinner, a maid service is the way to go. But what about cost? Let's break it down. Office cleaning services tend to charge based on the size of the space, how many cleaning tasks are needed, and the frequency of service. Larger office spaces with high traffic areas like lobbies and restrooms will cost more than a small office suite with just a few desks. Maid services, on the other hand, usually charge based on the size of your home and the number of rooms being cleaned. Some also offer a la carte pricing for extra services, like organizing closets or deep cleaning appliances. If you're looking for a whole house deep clean, expect to pay more than if you're just getting a basic tidy up. Let's not forget about specialization. Office cleaners are trained to handle commercial spaces, high-capacity trash bins, large windows, carpets that need industrial vacuums, and special cleaning protocols for conference rooms and break rooms. They know how to get rid of that mysterious coffee spill that's been sitting for 3 days. Maid services are more personalized. They're trained to handle residential messes, pet hair on the couch, kids' toys everywhere, and laundry that's piled up. It's not about deep disinfecting a meeting table. It's about making your home feel clean and comfortable. Now, here's something important. Sanitation versus aesthetics. In an office setting, sanitation is king. Think about it. Shared workstations, door handles touched by dozens of people, and the break room fridge that everyone treats like a science experiment. A good office cleaning service will prioritize disinfecting to reduce the spread of germs and keep the environment safe. In a home, it's more about the aesthetic, making everything look neat and polished. Sure, they'll clean and sanitize, but they're not worried about that one fingerprint on the conference room glass door. They're focused on making your space cozy, inviting, and clutter-free. And what about legal requirements? Office cleaning companies often follow strict guidelines for health and safety, especially if they're cleaning medical offices, schools, or other sensitive environments. They may even need special licenses and certifications to handle hazardous materials or follow protocols in highly regulated industries. Maid services, on the other hand, don't usually have to follow those same regulations. Their focus is more on delivering personalized service rather than meeting corporate health codes. So, how do you choose between them? It really comes down to your needs. If you're managing a business or working in an office space, a professional office cleaning service is your best bet. They'll keep things sanitary, professional, and efficient. But if you're at home and need someone to tackle everyday messes, fluff the pillows, and fold that never-ending mountain of laundry, a maid service will give you that peace of mind. At the end of the day, both services are valuable in their own way. It's just about knowing which one fits your specific lifestyle or workspace. Thanks for tuning in to Dan the Cleaning Man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and advice to keep your space spotless.
See you in the next video.